How to change language in Tumblr settings. First of all, open your browser and go to tumblr.com. Make sure you are logged into your Tumblr account. Once you are on the Tumblr dashboard, tap the three horizontal lines at the top left corner, then select Settings. From the drop-down menu, choose Account. Now scroll down until you find the Language section. Tap on the current language option and the list of available languages will appear. Select your preferred language from the list. Tumblr will automatically update the interface to reflect your selected language. There's no need to refresh or log out. The change takes effect immediately. Now you know how to change language in Tumblr settings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.